Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new to this channel, I've not subscribed, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. And also, if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you'll find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's take a look at Euro JPY. So let's start with the higher time frame, which is the weekly time frame. You clearly can see that this movement is from 2020. From here, you can see it's a level of 2020. From the year 2020, we got to level year of 2021, 2022, and now we are in the year of 2023. And Euro JPY has literally been giving us this bullish move. So, are we going to expect more bullish move? Probably yes. We are very much likely to get it. But for now, in the long term, I'll say, let's say probably 2025, we should see or let's say from next year 2024 to level of 2025. I believe by next year, which is 2024, we should be trading at 169, but currently we are trading at 159. By the way, we will be looking to cover more on JPY PS, probably, particularly Swiss franc JPY or any other PS, which we are going to give one-on-one support on the Patreon channel. So if you are yet to subscribe to the Patreon channel, you will find the link to the Patreon channel in the comment section, because now we are currently running a 40% discount. Meaning, if you join now, you will join at a 40% discount rate, whereby you will get access to those high probability trade we will be sharing. Also, you'll be getting a one-on-one support on the trade you would take personally. Is it Euro JPY? If you trade only Euro JPY, you are going to get the one-on-one needed support, what you should watch out for, how to take the trade, and every other thing. We would also give it to you, and any other thing you need, you'll get it. Meaning, once you join at the 40% discount rate, that is when you will be able to get such. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So if you're also interested, you'll find the link to our Patreon channel and subscribe, so you get what you need. Back to this our analysis, we'll be expecting that EURJPY to push up more. But right now, if you take a look at it on this weekly time frame, you see something like this ice here, and here is the pullback. This is the new highs, and here is the pullback. Take a look at this. This is the new highs, and the pullback is currently playing out. So this pullback should come to a level of 158. But before that, when you go to the daily time frame, you see that there is kind of like a movement here. We can see it drop here, pull, so drop. So anytime soon, markets will start going bullish, which is what I believe. Because if you see something like this is an higher highs, this is an higher lows, here is another higher highs. The market give us this corrective wave, serving as an higher lows, right? So anytime soon, Euro JPY will start pushing up. Now, at the same time, can it drop to a level of 157? Absolutely, it has the possibility of dropping to a level of 157, because with what I'm saying, this looks like a liquidity level here. As you can see, little by little, this higher highs and higher lows is literally playing out, right? This drop is very much likely to play out, to take out a lot of traders, hoping that it will go bullish, whereby to just come take out a lot of traders to the level of 157, and once it gets to 157, then we would expect the bullish move. So there are two possible levels where Euro USD will start giving us that bullish move. One, we can see it drop to a level of 157 before it starts going bullish. Two, we can see it probably drop a little bit here before it starts going bullish. Euro JPY will go bullish, but it just depends on when will it go bullish. And before it starts, for it to start going bullish, you need a confirmation. You need to see if the setup has played out. Meaning, if you are interested in the setup, you are interested in the support on trading Euro JPY, then we can offer it to you by joining our Patreon channel. You'll find the link in the comment section.